Okay, so this trade recap for today on the Monday, 16th of June. And pretty much, I mean, it's going to take profit now, to be fair, but I'm already out of the trade. Very simple trade. I mean, looking at session coming in, we were pretty bearish, going high, low, high. Basic downtrend, basically. After that, I was looking for Asian liquidity to be swept, which it gets done right there at around 6. Then, if we look here, 7 o'clock is when I'm looking to trade between 7 and 10, so it starts around here. After that, come in quite high into like this whole supply zone, you could say. Strong move down from there, reacting off here very nicely. So drop down to the 1 minute, again, very mechanical strategy. Then right after that, pretty much swing low right there gets broken right over there. And another swing low right there gets broken with a wick. Plus, the good thing about this trade was that there are obviously imbalances, right? Actually, no, it wasn't here. The imbalance was right there, break over there, imbalance right over here, which actually, as you can see, it's reacting to very nicely. My trade was pretty much very simple. 50% EQ right over there. That was the entry, which aligned with the imbalance as well. And yeah, I was just looking for move down, obviously, a 1 to 2 risk to reward. And it was just very, very choppy today, if I'm being honest with you. And you can just see all of this price action is very choppy. So I just literally just went to the gym and forgot about it. But yeah, so we go from low to high, right there, 5 pips minimum. So this was a 6 pip stop loss. And then a 1 to 2 was right over here, which it looks like it's going to get hit right now. I closed all my trades at 12 o'clock. So 12 around here. Yeah, around here. This is where I closed. So this was a 0.7. I think I pretty much got a 0.5% win on this. But yeah, literally close at 12, follow the rules, and like now it can do whatever it likes. And that's pretty much me done for the day. Journaled on TradeZella as well. So all the processes are done for this day. And we just move on to the rest of the week. It's as simple as that.